Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Shuttle in the short wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The Shuttle also comes with a 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox. The Shuttle is finished in the metallic paint colour copper bronze and features a colour coordinated front bumper, complete with front parking sensors, along with some front fog lamps with a cornering function. This vehicle also comes with only delivery miles on the vehicle. Down below, the Shuttle sits on these 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, which come in a 5-spoke star design. Towards the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate with a heated rear window, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This, paired with the parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. The Shuttle comes with a power folding tailgate, which has a variety of different useful scenarios. In the back of the load area there are 2 lashing points, along with a carpeted floor interior. The Shuttle also comes with power sliding doors on either side of the vehicle, and all seats in the vehicle are finished in the circuit fabric upholstery in a titanium black colour. Up front there is a single passenger seat, and similar to the driver's seat it comes with 2 armrests. The cab features some interesting creature comfort such as 2 USB-C charging points, along with a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.